Hi everyone, today I want to show you something critical if you're setting up a DS925, and that is that with 13 incompatible drives you won't even get past the initial setup screen. So as you can see on the screen, I have a DS925 and it's stuck basically on the screen where it installs DSM. So I can't install DSM also because the drive that I used is an old model of Iron Pro, which is not in the compatibility listing. And now I cannot patch the system also because I can't SSH into the system, right? This has not initialized enough to even give me the SSH access. Now what is strange is that means that now there are three categories in the hard drives, right? We always used to think that there are two categories, which is the compatible drive and incompatible drive. But what this proves is that there are two kind of incompatible drives now. uh, there is an incompatible drive that lets you install DSM at least, where you install DSM, you enable SSH, and then you are able to at least patch your system. Those are some of the incompatible drives. But what I have encountered is a super incompatible drive, if you may, which doesn't even let me install DSM. So if you can't install DSM, you can't SSH, you are stuck here. So the workaround that I had on this was that I was able to install another incompatible drive of type 1, install my DSM, patched it, and then I could install the super incompatible drive as well. That's it. Just wanted to update you on this, that there are certain drives which will not let you go past even the setup screen. Yeah. If you have any questions, any comments, feel free to write and I'll reply as soon as I can. Thank you.